As the owner of a cleaning business, you know how hard it can be to schedule jobs, handle employees, and stay organized, especially without the proper tools and software. It's like juggling 2 jobs at once. But what if you had a one-stop solution to keep everything running smoothly? That's what Maidily is for, made by a cleaning business owner for cleaning business owners. It all starts with the customer. Use our automated online booking forms to let customers book your services or input jobs manually. Maidily also tracks all of their information, from name and address to detailed analytics about past and present jobs, giving you valuable insight in a way that's easy to digest. Then, scheduling. Our scheduling command center lets you keep track of all of your available cleaners, create teams, and assign them to specific jobs. It can also handle your customers' subscriptions with built-in automatic scheduling and automatic text and email reminders. When it's time for payment, Maidily allows you to create and send invoices with just a few clicks, which your customers can pay directly online. It's not just invoices either. From receipts to refunds and even coupons, we've got you covered. And don't worry, you don't need to be a computer whiz to use our software. Everything is simple and streamlined. Maidily was made for business owners like you, and from small to large, our affordable pricing plans won't break the bank. So head over to maidily.com, take advantage of our no credit card required 2-week free trial, and we'll help you get set up for free.